Here are the instructions on how to properly use an inhaler. This is the most common type of inhaler on the market. It is the only inhaler that should be used with a spacer. If you're taking multiple breathing medications, follow your instructions on what order to take your breathing medications. If you are unsure, contact your doctor or the pharmacy. First, remove the cap from the inhaler. Place the inhaler in the spacer if you have one. Then breathe out all the way. Then place the inhaler or spacer mouthpiece in your mouth. Next, press down on the inhaler and take a deep breath. Only spray one puff at a time. Then hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as you can comfortably. Next, breathe out slowly. Repeat these steps to meet the prescribed amount. Wait 60 seconds between each puff. And finally, rinse your mouth and spit.